Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class I am going to teach you some more important problems on probability. So let us start the problem. If P of A is equal to 0.6 and P of B slash A is equal to 0.5, this is conditional probability, then find P of A and B where A and B are independent. Now the solution. Here P of A is equal to 0.6, 6 by 10, 3 by 5. P of conditional probability B slash A is equal to 0.5 is equal to 5 by 10 is equal to 1 by 2. Given A and B are independent. We have P of B slash A is equal to P of A intersection B by P of A. This implies B slash A is half P of A intersection B by P of A is 3 by 5. So this implies P of A intersection B is equal to, this implies P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 by 5. 3 by 10. These events A and B are independent, it is given. So we can write P of A intersection B is equal to P of A, P of B is equal to 3 by 10. So this implies P of A, that is 3 by 5 into P of B is equal to 3 by 10. So this implies P of B is equal to 3 by 10 by 3 by 5. This is equal to 3 by 10 into 5 by 3. That is equal to 1 by 2. So P of B is 1 by 2 we are getting. And P of A is also P of A intersection B is 3 by 10, P of B we are also getting here. Then P of A union B. Then P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. This is equal to, here P of A is equal to 3 by 5, P of B is equal to 1 by 2, and P of A intersection B is 3 by 10. So this is equals to 10 is LCM, this is 6, 5 minus 3, 8 by 10 is equal to 4 by 5. So the solution is, here P of A is 0.6, 3 by 5, P of B slash A is equal to half, A and B are independent, so P of B slash A we know this is P of A intersection B by P of A. This is conditional probability. We are interested for the event B, probability of B when A is occurred. So this is the value given P of B slash A, and P of A is given, from which we are getting P of A intersection B is 3 by 10. Similarly, as the events A and B are independent, so P of A into P of B is equal to this much. After putting the value, we are getting P of B is equal to 1 by 2. So then P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. We are putting the value, and after simplification we are getting the answer 4 by 5. Let us proceed to solve the next problem. A problem in maths is given to three students A, B, C, whose chances of solving it are 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. What is the, provided that the problem is solved, solution. Here P of A is equal to 1 by 2, P of B is equal to 1 by 3, and P of C is equal to 1 by 4. It is given. Then P of A dash 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, P of B dash 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3, and P of C dash is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. Here the chances of solving is completely independent. So probability of solving, probability that the problem is solved is equal to P of A or B or C is equal to 1 minus P of A dash, B dash, C dash. That means the total probability is 1. So this is P of A dash, B dash, C dash. So this is equals to 1 minus 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. This is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. So probability that the problem is solved is P of A or B or C, which is equal to 1 minus probability of A complement, B complement or C complement. So this is equals to, one line I have omitted here, P of A dash, P of B dash, P of C dash. So the value we are putting here and the value is 3 by 4. Therefore, here P of A, so the solution is like this. Here P of A is given, P of B, P of C is given. Now P of A dash is equal to 1 by 2, P of B dash is equal to 2 by 3, P of C dash is equal to 3 by 4. Provided that the problem is solved, is P of A or B or C, that is 1 minus P of A dash, B dash, C dash, which is equal to 1 minus P of A dash, P of B dash, P of C dash. So let us put the values, and after simplification, the answer is 3 by 4. Let us proceed to solve the next problem. Here A and B independent bets with P of A and P of B given. We have to find P of A intersection B, P of A union B, P of A slash B, P of B slash A. That is probability of A intersection B, probability of A union B, probability of A slash B, means conditional probability, probability of A when B is given, probability of B when A is given. Solution. P of A intersection B is equal to P of A, P of B, because the events are independent. Here A and B are independent. So this is P of A 0.3 into 0.4. This is 0.1. Second problem. P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus of P of A intersection B, which is equal to 0.3, 0.4 minus 0.1. 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 12 by 100. Here 100 LCM, 30 plus 40 minus 12. So this is 58 by 100, which is equal to 0.5. So P of A union B we are getting, this is 0.58. Now third bit. P of A slash B is equal to P of A intersection B by P of B, which is equal to P of A, P of B by P of B. Product of A, product of B by product of B is equal to probability of A. This is equal to 0.3. Similarly, the fourth bit we have to sum here. Probability of B when AG occurred is equal to P of A intersection B by P of A. This is P of A, probability of A, probability of B by probability of A, which is equal to probability of B. Because here A and B are independent events, is equal to 0.4. So answer. Let us proceed for the next problem. A husband and wife appear in an interview for 2 vacancies for the same post. The probability of husband selection is 3 by 5 and wife selection is 1 by 5. Find the probability that both are selected and exactly one is selected. Solution. Here, probability of husband selection is equal to 3 by 5. Probability of wife selection is 1 by 5. Where H husband and W stands for wife selection. Then P of S dash 1 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5, and P of W dash is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. Then first bit, probability both are selected is equal to probability of HW is equal to P of H into P of W, which is equals to 3 by 5 into 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 25. Answer. Now let us proceed for the second bit. Probability of exactly one is selected. This is equal to probability of H W dash union H dash W. This is probability of H W dash plus, because the two sets are disjoint, probability of H dash W, which is equals to probability of husband selection, probability of wife not selection, probability of husband not selection, probability of wife selection. So let us put the values and solve it. Probability of h 3 by 5, 4 by 5 plus h dashed 2 by 5 probability of wife 1 by 5 is equal to 12 by 25, 2 by 25, 14 by 25. Answer. So, probability of exactly 1 is selected is 14 by 24, whereas the probability of both selected is 3 by 25. So, probability of exactly 1 is selected is 14 by 25. So, this is the answer. The topic for this class is completed. In my next class, I will come with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.